Today we are looking at a totally rebuilt 167D Clipper seed cleaner. It is equipped with a 5 horsepower, 208, 230 volt single phase motor. The 1 designation in the model means that it is raised up approximately 18 inches so that the clean grain can be conveyed out the side into an auger or a bucket elevator leg. The serial number is 19105. It was manufactured in 1948. The D in the model number means that it has top air. This is a 2.5 screen mill with a permanent flow pattern that is scalp, scalp, sift. This means it falls through the first and second screen and then stays on top of the bottom screen. These chutes on the side are the trash chutes. This top one would be for what your top air removes. This next one down is what the scalp screen removes in the bottom part of the shoe. And the last one is what this is the siftings, what the bottom screen removes. On the back is your bottom air settling chamber. It is important that you have 1 or 2 good kernels in every handful that will be coming out of this spout here, so that you know that you are removing the most amount of impurities possible. This unit is equipped with counterbalance on the eccentric shaft. The unit is also equipped with an adjustable speed bottom blast fan. This mill is also equipped with brushes under the screen to keep the screens clean. This mill is also equipped with a clean out gate on the bottom clean grain auger. When changing varieties, you can open this gate and completely clean the unit out. Here we have the unit running. Very nice. Runs quiet. Very smooth. It is important to note that when you make adjustments to the bottom fan speed, you also have to adjust this lever up here at the back of the machine to synchronize this indicator ribbon. You want it fluttering in the middle with a slight pull towards the inside, just like it is right now. This is your hopper clutch. At the end of the day, when you are finished cleaning, simply disengage the hopper and allow the mill to shake clean before shutting it down. It is important that this hopper clutch moves back and forth freely, so that if you were to start the mill and it was running backwards, it would allow it to disengage and cause no damage to the internal hopper parts. This adjustment is your hopper gate control. This increases or decreases the commodity flow going into the seed cleaner.